while this fine is looking for the title, how would you define career choice? Dito sa atin.
Hindi bali natin. Ano ko lang, hindi ko na kayo diba? Lagi lang tayo din. Kasi ako yung nilipin.
Can you give me an example of a career? Career, being a teacher, career, diba? Being a doctor, being a lawyer, so it can just replace career choice. Because you're thinking of career choice and not actually careers, they are very different things. Probably factors affecting the choice of career choice.
May ano rin dyan, software, paano lang ito balik. Sino natin mananalo?
And then, what's your dependent variable? Career choice. How do you measure career choice? Such as what? No, in terms of what? Because then, in a relational study, you're going to relate one factor to another, the independent and non-dependent variable. What's your indicator of career choice? Is it the number of those students taking up IA, the number of students taking up A, or what? Where did you relate the independent variable? What? Did you do Excel or whatever? In whatever application you're going to use, there should be values for the dependent variable. What did you use for the career choice as an indicator? It's cannot compute without numbers, without measured values of whatever. Is it the number of IA, the number of college students? How are you going to find out the dependent variable? There's no specific question and then you have variable. This is the problem. There's some question pertaining to the career choice. This is a question. ilang social influences ba yan? Road chat. What are those social influences? Are there questions in your stated in your SRS?
Ha? Huwag mahawa. Face to face.
Sa'yo na yun.
Nawal mo ako dahil.
Maganda lang yun.
Ito siya. Anong?
Actually, we want to find out how the students provide personality-related factors and socioeconomic-related factors affect the choice of specialization of the design. We divide it as a specialization in BSI, in CIC.
And for what reason, or what are the purpose, why do you want to find out the reasons why they choose those specific careers? What's the importance of finding it out?
Because
Is there a problem with regards to that?
yes, I mean yes, because if you did not pick the right career, the career for you, you will likely to be dropped or fail the subject and you are not motivated to succeed in that career. Not a career for
There is only one career that we want to know. It is a teaching career. And all of us are to become teachers. So how would you